In this circuit, we have the potentiometer hooked up to the negative and the positive, and then the middle lead of the potentiometer, we have it connected to the analog pin 0, and then we have the LED connected to pin 4, which connects to the current limiting resistor, and then connects to the anode. And here we have a code where we turn the potentiometer, and if it's less than the threshold, the LED is off, and then when it's greater than the threshold, the LED is on. And as you can see, when the LED is off, it is below the threshold, and the serial monitor output is reading 0. And as I turn it towards the positive lead, the number rises, and when it is above the threshold 400, the LED turns on. In this circuit, we have the line tracker hooked up to the Arduino. The white wire is signal, red is positive, black is negative, and the white wire we have connected to the analog pin A0 or A0, and we have here black and white tape. And when we have the sensor on the black tape on the serial monitor, it reads black light detected, and when I move it over to the white tape, it reads white light detected. And then when I move it in between, it will read unknown because the value in this setup, we have 2 push buttons and 2 LEDs. When either push button is pressed, the yellow LED should light up, and when both push buttons are pressed, the red LED should light up. So as I push one push button, yellow LED lights up, and when I push both of them at the same time, the red LED lights up. In this setup, we have 3 push buttons and 3 LEDs. Each push button is assigned to a certain LED, and the way it's set up is we have 5 volts that runs through the switch and then runs to the signal, which runs out to the board, and then we have this pull down resistor that runs to ground. So each push button is set up the same way, and once we upload the code, we push a button. That's for green, this button is for blue, and this one's for yellow. But if 2 are pushed at the same time, the LEDs stay off. In this setup, we have 3 push buttons and the RGB LED. So when we push each push button, a different color shows up. First push button is red, second one is blue, and is green. And if we push them at the same time, red and blue make cyan, blue and green makes cyan, red and blue makes purple, and then red and green makes yellow. And then if you push all 3, the LED is off.